So it's just on this A pillar here, and what we're going to do is, if we quickly go in the inside, I've got some torches out already. Right, okay. So if we look closely, we can see that there is a trickle of water coming down here. So we can see that there's water coming in inside behind the A pillar. So that's coming in quite quick, and if I just put my finger there, we can see that it changes. And what that's then doing is, as you can see, it runs in this box section here, and it comes out of here and comes off and in, and also it falls out the bottom here just underneath this tape. As you can see, there's a puddle starting to arrive there. Oh, just when I knocked my torch over, let me just put my torch back there. Okay, so we can see it coming out the bottom of that box section, and as we can see here, this is the water starting to come in. So it looks like it's possibly a fault with the clips on the A pillar, which is allowing it to obviously come down inside the box section and then work its way in.